What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya and welcome back again to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new no loss trading strategy that managed to make me all this profit that you see whilst I was trading volatility indices. As you can see, this strategy works on all the volatility indices and you can have all your trades that you are trading in profit. So we're going to see how exactly you can use this strategy, and if you use this strategy correctly, you should be able to execute your trades that are profitable. So we're going to jump into setting up the strategy, and I'm going to explain each and every single trade that I took, and you will be able to see why I was taking that trade, so that once you finish watching this video, you will be able to jump into the charts and trade and execute these kind of trades. Let me show you just a sample of our trades. Check on V75 how we managed to catch this sell trade. Also check on V100 how we managed to catch that nice buy trade right from the bottom. Now, if you are in my VIP signals group, you know that we do catch these type of trades. Catching the trade while it is too early, and I'm going to show you how you can do that using this simple strategy. So we're going to set it up together and jump into the trading part of the strategy. Now, as you guys know, I will be giving away a free spot in our VIP signals group to the best comment in the previous video. And if you want to win the next VIP spot, watch this video up until the end and you see how exactly you can do that. So let's jump right into the charts and see how we can set this strategy up, and as well as look at the conditions that we have to follow when you're using this strategy. Look at this beautiful buy trade on V100. Okay, look at how special it is, just right at the peak. That's where we managed to catch this beautiful buy trade. So let's see how you can use this strategy. Let's first set it up. The first thing that you're going to be needing for this strategy to work is your first indicator, which is going to be our moving average. Now, this moving average is going to have the following properties. We've got a period of 14, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and we're not going to have any levels on this one. And on visualization, please allow it to be on all time frames. Although we're just going to be using one specific time frame that I will tell you, please just allow this strategy to appear on all time frames so that you can just do your top-down analysis if need be. Okay, and then your styling, which is the color of our indicator, I'm going to choose this green color. Okay, so these will be the final properties, and I'm going to click on down right here, and as you can see, once I click down, I am having this green line running across my charts, which is my first indicator. The next indicator that you're going to need again is going to be a moving average, but this time around we're going to have a period of 50. Everything else remains the same. That is, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and there are no levels again once again. And then on the styling, I'm going to change this color to a red color so that we can easily differentiate between these indicators. So once I'm done, you see I click done and I now have that red moving average running across my chart, which is my second indicator, and which makes up our main chart for our price action. So we'll be able to see what exactly the price is doing. Okay, let's move on to the next indicator that we're going to need. We're going to need an oscillator, a stochastic oscillator to be specific, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. We've got a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high, and then the method is simple. Now, this time around we have levels, and we're going to have these two levels. Our level 20 basically runs from 0 to 20, and it is our buy level. And we also have the level 80, which basically starts from level 80 to 100, which is our sell zone. Okay, so we just described it as a sell right there, and then once you're done, you simply click on done. And on the styling for this one, please just make sure that your main and your signal have got the same color as your background chart. So on my background charts, I've got white, so that's why you see that my main and my signal are all white. And once you're done, you simply click on done, and you can see we now have those levels installed. 0 to 20 is our buy, 80 to 100 is our sell, and there's nothing else inside. And finally, we're going to need the confirmation indicator that is going to help us know exactly when to enter when we want to trade. So I'm going to go to my indicator section again, but this time around I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and I'm going to choose a moving average. And the properties of this moving average, we're just going to change this period to 10. Everything else remains the same. And I'm also going to change this color for this indicator to black so that we can easily identify it on our chart. And then I'll click done, and as you can see, we now have that black line as well. All right, so now we've successfully installed our strategy. Now let's see how best we can tackle it and how best we can make profit while using it. So I'm going to start off with the first trade that we have on the list so that we don't get confused. We managed to get a trade on V25. Now I was using my 5-minute time frame for trading this one, mainly because I'll be scalping and I know when to set my TP and SL. But here is how we managed to get this by trade. The first thing that we were looking for is the position of our black line, and we managed to see that the black line has reached our buy zone right there. And the second thing was to know if our price is now giving that bullish momentum. We wanted to know when the bulls have ended the market, and we could do that by seeing or checking on our main chart if we now have a cross between our green line and our candlesticks, and we wanted to have candlesticks crossing to be above the green line. So right here you can see that we managed to see that candlesticks were now closing above, and at first we had this bearish candlestick that failed to cross above, but then next we now had a series of bullish candlesticks that crossed above, and right there we now in phase 2, which means that we now had two confirmations telling us that there is a potential buy trade, but nonetheless we can't just end up based on that. We needed the golden cross, and the golden cross basically is when you then have the green line and the red line crossing each other. Now this means that this green line, which is our average price, is now crossing above and closing above our red line, which also acts as our trend line. That shows us that there is some strong buy momentum, and right there, that's when it happened, and we took our buy trade. And as you can see, it went straight into profit, retraced a bit, and it's coming back up once again. We might want to be starting to take some profits and covering our positions. So that's how we enter into a buy trade using this strategy. Okay, let's take a look at another trade that we took. We had a trade on V75, which was a beautiful sell trade. I still remember it from the moment I took it, because it was just straight into profit. We didn't experience any drawdown. That means that the moment I ended the trade, I was always seeing blue, and that's very good, especially when you're trading V75, because it gets with a very high peep value, and you don't want any drawdowns that are going to kick you out of the market and let the trade run in your favor. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. But right here we had our black line reaching our sell zone, which is our first condition if you want to enter a sell trade. And we saw that candlesticks were now closing below our green line right there, showing that the average price or the average momentum is going low. But once again, we can't just end up based on that. We needed a third confirmation, and that's when we talk about the golden cross. This time around, we want the green line to be closing and going below the red line, showing that the average price is now below our trend line, which means we are most likely going to enter into a sell trend, and that is exactly what happened. Look at how the trade went on into deep profit from the moment I ended. We never experienced any drawdown. Okay, let's look at V100, which is another buy, and it was a beautiful buy trade. Once again, you were seeing it right at the peak. That's where we caught this beautiful trade. Okay, as usual, we managed to have the black line reaching our buy zone, and we also managed to have candlesticks crossing and closing above our green line, and the golden cross was immediately given to us. There was no waste of time. You can see that the green line immediately crossed with the red line, signifying that there is strong bullish momentum. So when you see these crosses and these conditions happening so fast, happening so quickly, it means that the trend that you are predicting most likely has what a very strong momentum. And as you can see, it went straight into profit, into that bullish momentum, and kept on pushing and pushing, still pushing up to now. And this is basically because you can see that there was high pressure on the conditions, and immediately the trade gave some profit. Now, as you guys know, like I said, I do give away a free spot in our VIP signals group to the best comment in the comment section. So today's winner, I'm going to put their comment right here on the screen. Congratulations, you have won yourself a spot in our VIP signals group. All you have to do is to send us a message so that we can add you, and you'll be trading with us and getting these brilliant trades for free. Okay, now you'll be able to find my WhatsApp number in our free Telegram channel. I'll leave the link again in the description box below, and everyone is free to join that group. Actually, there are over 8,000 traders. Yes, we're over 8,000 active traders in the group. And if you want to be part of it, feel free to join. All you have to do is to click the link, first link in the description box below, and you can join for free. You'll be able to see setups, signals, results from our VIP signals group, results from my mentorship students, my personal results. You'll also be able to see them in that group, and everything that I posted even before you join. So feel free to join our Telegram community. Okay, and if you want to win the next spot in our VIP signals group for free, all you have to do is to make sure that you are a subscriber. So click the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that I'll personally notify you the next time I post a video, so that you know if you have won or not. And like this video and comment down below, and I will be able to see your comment and pick you up as the next winner. Okay, it's that simple. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Okay, let's get back to the video. I want to show you more trades, guys. I want to show you more trades. Let's look at V10 1S and you see what exactly I'm talking about. So V10 1S, again, we have got a buy situation over here, black line reaching our buy zone, and we have strong bullish momentum. We can see candlesticks are crossing and closing above our green line like that. And the third confirmation, which is our golden cross, whereby we see a green line crossing to be above our red line, and we went into profit. This one is retracing, but can you see that from the moment of our entry, we shot straight up, zero drawdown. And remember, we are scalping, we are in our 5-minute time frame. Okay, once again, let me look for another trade that might be interesting. Let's look at V25 1S. Okay, that's another interesting one. We managed to catch it right at the peak, right at the bottom, and we managed to know that we are about to reverse, and we did reverse. So here you can see that the black line reached into your buy zone, and here you can see that candlesticks crossed and started to close above your green line, and the golden cross immediately appeared. But right here you can see that we didn't wait for the golden cross. We knew that we had been selling for a long period of time, and this black line had been long since it reached that buy zone. So we knew that the next time we get clear bullish momentum, the next time we get clear closing on above the green line, we were just going to enter in hard. And that's exactly what we did. We didn't wait for this. We didn't waste no pips right here. So let's lastly check on V100. Okay, another beautiful trade. Can you see where we are catching these trades? Right at the top or right at the very bottom. Zero drawdown. Okay, zero drawdown trades on volatility indices. I have a VIP for volatility. If you want to check it out, you see how powerful it is. Black line reached our sell zone. Candlestick started to cross and close below the green line. Golden cross appeared. We ended right below the golden cross into that beautiful sell trade with a zero drawdown. Can you see how powerful this strategy is? Tell me guys what you think. Remember, the best comment is going to win a free spot in our VIP signals group. And if you have any questions about this strategy, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will be responding to questions in the first 1 hour. So hurry on to comment your comment. Best question might actually even win a VIP. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us for more. Join our VIP. Join our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. It's completely free to join. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel where you'll be able to see setups, signals, and results of our trades. Until next time.